Good morning, everyone. Today's my takeaway topic is Keystroke Logger, also known as keyloggers. So let's go through an outline. So today we are going to see what is keylogger, how keylogger works, types of keylogger, uses of keyloggers, detection and prevention of keyloggers, and conclusion. So what is keyloggers? A keylogger is a surveillance technology used to monitor and record each keystroke on a specific computer. Keyloggers are often used as a spyware tool by cybercriminals to steal personal identifiable information, login credentials, and sensitive enterprise data. So how keylogger works? It's typically work by intercepting the input from the keyboard before it reaches the operating system. The keylogger captures the keystroke and then stores them in a hidden file or send them to a remote server controlled by the attackers. So now we will see types of keyloggers. First we will see hardware keyloggers. A hardware keylogger is a physical device that is plugged in between the keyboard and the computer. It can record every keystrokes made on the keyboard, including passwords and other sensitive information. The data is stored on the device and can be retrieved later by the attackers. Hardware keyloggers can be difficult to detect because they do not require any software installation. However, they do require physical access to the computer in order to be installed. They are often used by attackers who have access to the physical computer, such as insiders or attackers who have gained physical access to a computer in a public place. One of the main advantages of hardware keylogger is that they can record even if the computer is not connected to the internet or is running antivirus software. They are also more difficult to detect than software keyloggers, as they do not show up in the list of running processes or installed softwares on the computer. So now we will see software keyloggers. A software keylogger is a type of malware that can be installed on a computer or mobile device without the user's knowledge. Once installed, the keylogger runs silently in the background, recording every keystrokes made on the keyboard. Some sophisticated keyloggers may also be capable of capturing screenshots, recording audio, or stealing data from other applications. The collected data can then be used by the attacker to gain unauthorized access to the target system or to steal personal and financial information. Software keyloggers are often spread through phishing emails, fake software downloads, or other social engineering tactics and can be difficult to detect and remove. Now we will see uses of keyloggers. So first is legal uses of keyloggers. It includes the parental monitoring. Keyloggers can be used by parents to monitor their children's online activity and ensure that they are not engaging in dangerous or inappropriate behavior. Employee monitoring. Employers may use keyloggers to monitor employee activity and ensure that employees are using company resources appropriately. Now we will see ethical concerns and considerations. So it includes law enforcement investigation. Law enforcement agencies may use keyloggers to gather evidence in criminal investigation with a court order and proper legal authority. Now we will see illegal uses of keylogger. It includes cybercrime. Hackers may use keyloggers to steal sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, and other personal information with the intent of committing identity theft or other type of fraud. Stalking. Keyloggers can be used by stalkers to monitor their victims' online activity and track their movement, which can be a violation of privacy and safety. Now we will see how to detect and prevent from the keyloggers. So first is symptoms of keylogger infections. So it may include slow computer performance. If a keylogger is running in a background of a computer, it can slow down the system's performance. Keyloggers can generate strange pop-ups, error messages, or notifications that may not be related to any installed software or the operating system. Unusual network activity. A keylogger may send data over the internet to a remote server which can result in unusual network activity on the computer. If there is a delay between tapping the key and seeing the characters appear on the screen, it may be a sign that a keylogger is running in the background. Now we will see methods of detection. Install and regular update antivirus software to detect and remove keyloggers. Use Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac to check for suspicious processes or applications that are using a high amount of system resources. Check the list of installed software on the computer and look for any unfamiliar program or application. Now we will see techniques for prevention. Install a good antivirus and anti-malware software and keep them up to date. This software can detect and remove most type of keyloggers before they can cause any harm. Keep your software up to date. Make sure that you keep your operating system, software, and application up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Please be cautious of suspicious email and links. Avoid clicking on suspicious link or downloading attachments from unknown or suspicious emails. This may contain malware that can install keyloggers on your computer. Use a virtual keyboard. If you are typing in sensitive information such as password or financial details, consider using a virtual keyboard. This can help to prevent keyloggers from capturing your keystrokes. Use two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication wherever possible. This will require code or verification from a separate device or app in addition for your password, making it harder for keylogger to gain access to your accounts. Use of firewall. Install and use a firewall to prevent unauthorized access to your computer and network. Be aware of physical access to your computer and lock your computer or log out when you are away from it. So let's see what is the future of keyloggers and importance of cybersecurity measures. As technology advances, the effectiveness and detection of keyloggers will also evolve. For example, advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning may make it easier to detect and block keylogger software. Additionally, improvements in hardware security, such as the use of encrypted keyboards, may make it more difficult for keylogger to capture keystrokes. Overall, it is likely that keylogger will continue to be a tool for both legitimate and malicious purposes, and their effectiveness will depend on how well they can adapt to change technologies and security measures. Thank you.